This is our Prima SG1530. As you can see right now, we're loading up 100 thou aluminum. It's 120 by 60. The loader automatically picks it up if you leave it on, and it will bring it onto the table by itself. We have two material tables. Both of them can fit 120 by 60. You put two different materials in or two of the same one. Over here we have two of the scrap bins. The big one is all the small pieces that come out from the punches, and then the red one is where all the scrap pieces come out. See now the loader just put it in automatically, squares it up against the pin, sets it in the clamps, and then it starts punching. You can watch your progress over here on the screen. You can see the dot moving around. That's where the punch is currently at. On the left, you can see the job that's loaded up. We're on sheet 17 out of 20. Tells us when we're going to run out of material, and you can see all the future sheets on there. At the bottom, there's a counter. Shows you what step you're on and what it's doing. Over here is your functions. You see the loader is green because it's on. We're in auto mode. As you can see, the finished part comes out. You can adjust how many you want to come out at one time in the program. Here comes the second one right now. There is a station right here that lets you switch it to foot pedal from automatic. We usually leave it in automatic unless it's big parts, and then there's a foot pedal down there you can switch it to. Once they come out, we label all the parts. We stack them by part number, either on pallets or a cart, and then we send them over to the vendors.